Alright, in this two-part tutorial, I'm doing a simple stamping tutorial with some free-handed accents. I have my nails prepped with the Mani Defender Liquid Latex from Lantern Wren sent for review. And I have Orly Bonder on my nails because this is a day-old Mani that I want to make sure that the stamping stuck to. And I'm using Hit the Bottle, the Huntress Awaits, which was also sent to me by Lantern Wren for review. It's a really pretty dark green stamping polish that has a bit of shimmer in it. But on the nail, it doesn't really come across that shimmer. It comes out mostly as a cream color. And for the stamper, I'm using the Lantern Wren clear stamper with the silver metal body. So, stamping portion. Okay. All right, so the second part of this is I went ahead and added some accents, sort of filled in those leaves using Zoya Merida. And to do that, I use this new detail brush from Lantern Wren. And it's got a really nice fine point here, and it provides a good amount of control, as you will see here. So I just put a drop of the Zoya down and just fill in. And I think this is a nice way to add some accent bits without having to freehand the whole thing, and it's also a good way to sort of practice freehanding as well, and get you more used to the brush and what have you. You could practice, the swirl part as well and add some accents there. But I just think it's a nice little easy way to add a little different sparkle and look to it. So anyway, thanks for watching.